next to that, already stood up is Lori Nowak out of Beaver Creek, Ohio. And Kevin, next to her is Dan Steely out of Beaver Creek. And that balloon's called Baby. And the way he came up with the name Baby, he said, well, hey, asked his wife, said, hey, I think I want to buy her a balloon. She said, well, Baby. Thus it was named. Next to Baby, you got I'm Home. That's the Ohio I'm Home balloon. And that's Mike Liotti out of Lebanon, Ohio. Next to that is Randy Rose. Randy's flying. Actually, so one is Baby. Randy, the green with the rainbow with the white hand around the middle, that's actually Baby. The other one is Maybe Not. Story behind that. Down the other end down there, you see the Southern Indiana. Warner Peterson's blue. So, then on the other side of that, I think you've got
Yes! As a TV.
Jim Cruzy out of Marysville, Ohio. Flying so in blue.
Alam mo, pag magawa ko siya tanan. Ay, sa dito.
Yan, hindi sa kahabok. Duwag sila na ipit.
Hindi ba sila maglumapad kay may mga higot sila. Karoon ba sila buyan, pero balloon glow mo lang.
So we'll get everybody stood up here.
Ano na siya humando? Car? Ano naman?
So you guys can get some good pictures of the balloons all glowing. And so I need your guys' help to
Naipit
help
si
me
Ellie
count
dahil
down so that we can get all the pilots on the same page. Because it's like herding cats when you talk about hot air balloons.
Yeah, Southern Indiana. Ano naman? Indiana.
I'm not an expert by any means, but I would guess there's not a whole lot of places in the world that you can go and see what we're seeing now in combination with skydiving and fireworks.
Kalo isang duwang.
May fireworks pa, skydiving doon.
Skydiving? Para, dami-dami sa baba.
So everybody might be busy watching the balloons.
Sino nagigo?
Towards the runway. But you've got the
Si
two
Bobo?
other balloons behind you. Balloons to the right.
Sino nagigo?
Giving everybody their first experience of flying in a hot air balloon.
Ang bayan na siya.
Time I used to do it every time I could go.
Okay, ulo, kularang sila.
Now I'm into the next phase.
Tapos pa fireworks, may makaligo sila no.
Got Rod out of
Manaog na sila yung pag-fireworks.
Sobrang ka naman yung mga kita mo nag-skydiving. Diba fireworks ka na yung mo niya?
actually talked about it earlier. We have competition flights in the morning. The winds are more steerable, more controllable. So what we do is
Dami sila ba?
flights then. So at 7 a.m. in the morning, basically at sunrise, we're going to get together, talk about what's going on. We're going to plan a flight. Flight will typically involve something here at Smith Park. It may involve
Zombie si
targets,
Kati.
as we call them, in between where we're going to take off from in Smith Park or past Smith Park. People are flying into it.
Please,
That's
Uncle, please, don't-
Saturday morning and Sunday
No
morning.
holding sa
I
bola,
heard
no
you
holding.
tell you something about a key grab
Ipasa ko kay
involved.
Kati, tapos ipasa mo.
What's that mean?
Dapat pag
Nothing. Is that
isang
ticket?
Go, ikig lang.
Hula hoop and stick it on top of a
Bubog, no? Adong tao. Pasa mo sa akin.
May tao gani.
and the pilots trying to fly in and grab those that hula hoop for a set of car keys and maybe some kind of prize money.
Okay, go dra kay ko ng bolo.
So you get to see how controllable balloons actually are. I've been 4 foot away from my 3-foot arms from winning some money at one of the events the one year, and the passenger I had with me in the basket said, "Hold on to my ankles, I'm going to jump for it." I'm like, "No, dude, can't do that. Gotta keep our feet in the bottom of the basket." But we're getting everybody out there is getting inflated, getting ready to do the balloon blow. So I'm going to remind you one more time, I need your guys' help to count it down so that all the pilots know when to get inflated. Now, one of the balloons I saw out there, I think he's in the back a little more, is Ben Miller out of Northern Ohio. His balloon is purple and white. I think he's back there kind of glowing a little bit right now. He's hearing me talk about it. And Ben built that balloon himself. twice blessed.
Oo. Shot.
Ay, gadamo. Pagod ang balon sa tapagod. May violet.
This is a fun time where we stack a bunch of 5 square feet.
Tugnaw na.
Tugnaw na ganito.
Dili ka man ang kay kick na sino. Okay, i-kick ka doon, i-kick back kita ka. Pwede dira ka lang kay kick na sino.
So pagod ako naman na iyan, no?
Gani.
Stand him up. What's funny is to watch him
Good
come
job.
up because
Okay, kikati naman.
he's facing
Sige,
away
balik
from
pa.
you. That's
Okay,
because he's
papa
got
naman
these
dito.
extra appendages.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Tanan asta sa likod.
Fight kayo tanan? Tiplan na edad mo yan?
63.
All of her appendages on the backside of the upper
Sige lang, ako gali mo. 63.
Pila ka na gani, Chay?
Sila ayo mo haw.
Pila ka na? Pila ni mo bata?
Ito pa lang dulangan ka na.
Okay.
looking out there trying to figure out exactly
Watch
who
ang tama ko.
our blue community is a small group of people basically. We all pretty much know each other from different balloon events that we travel around to.
Nami na kung gadulom na karon.
Sorry.
We have different
May balloon glow gid man masigan sila karon tanan. Kay madulumbay. Madulumbay di ang ilan nga nasuga no nang ano. Uba ko hindi ni sa balloon dali yung. Do ano sa'yo? O kung balloon sa ngayon next time. Next time.
signature is something.
Hindi na siguro kalupad kay lapad. Ang nagalupad yung arang tigataliwis. So daw turumpo ang style.
Hindi na sila guro makaluparon, guro dira lang na sila balloon glow yung gusto. Kailan tabla ilang ka formation, dira lang ari lang ito ng tao, attraction.
Kaya nang galing ka nagaginuto ko. Ang isa gani at puno sa likod yun.
May dugid-dugla na sila, excuse me
Look
kuno.
at their balloons, and the name usually has some
Si
application.
elephant na talikod sa atin.
Sa ato na kayo.
Like Squally being named.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Hey, all right. I've got a family here. They're excited. They want to share what is their
Hey,
favorite
fight
hot
sila,
air
mag-hold
balloon.
this
So
one,
we'll
mga
start with your name. What is your favorite balloon right there in front of you?
Go ikiyaboy kay papa kay kick na ni papang ball. O dira ka. Stand up
Name's
daw.
Maddie. What's your favorite balloon?
Manan dira ka hindi mag-move. No, kay mga gamay mo na ako.
Airhead,
Kay
alright.
pasa ni papa
What's
si
your
mo
name?
i-kick mo tapos i-kick ka doon, okay? Okay si Manang first. Go kick kay papa.
Scarecrow. How about you, buddy? What's your name?
What?
Abel. All right. What's your favorite balloon, buddy? The elephant.
No, hindi pag-ihon.
All right.
Foul
Anybody
niya,
else
foul.
like the elephant.
Go kick it.
Ellie the elephant, yeah.
Yeah, Ellie the
What about
elephant.
the elephant? All right. Thank you, guys.
Si Bugs Bunny, oh. Harap sila, oh.
I just got done saying that most of the time, we know all the pilots, but I'm looking out there at the purple little racer balloon out there, and that's somebody that I don't recognize. So I need to go out and meet that pilot.
Well, we've got the balloon glow coming up here as soon as dark approaches.
Wala
Anybody
na nang
excited to
sapakan
see
yung
these
mga
balloons glow?
troopers. Yeah, arating mag-gano na
Hey,
sila, oh.
Brain, are we close to a glow?
I think so. I got given a PSA. I need to make an announcement to everybody in the crowd. If you parked over and raised mufflers, there's vehicles that need to be moved out there, and they're getting ready to tow the vehicles that are in the way. So if you parked and raised mufflers, you better go check your car because it may not be there much longer.
All right, as we get ready for the balloon glow, we're going to have our musician come to the stage once more. Anybody proud to be an American?
Kiko watch ko sa balloon, look daw. Tumudamo ng balloons guys oh.
Is it okay to say that? All right, proud to be American. Anybody proud to be American?
Cool down ng isa.
All right, Casey Brown is going to
Kabula.
God bless America just before we get to the blue. Junior year
Let's
is
go,
in.
mawak
Here
ko
we
pa
go.
Ato ara daw gibutang na ni Bob sa galon ko. Ang tago mo Bob? Ara sa pag. Let's go manang mawak ko manang. Tati, butang na mawak ko.